photo shoot with my friend Tyler. I'm gonna catch up with him, take some flicks. I'm not looking good today. Let me just preface that. I don't look good. My makeup won't stay under my eyes. Why? Don't know. So we're going on the photo shoot. I look like this. I straightened my hair today, which I haven't done in a hot minute, and it's raining in LA. Kind of rude. Not really that happy about it. I don't know what we're gonna take pictures of if it's pouring, but you know we're gonna make it work. And I'm driving without a tripod, and I know it's gonna fall. Happy Vlogmas Day 7. Hey, what's good? That's not okay, but it's gonna be okay because I can't do anything about it right now because I'm driving. Okay, not good. Go red. Don't go. Oh, I guess we're shuffling my playlist. Oh, listen to some country. Oh, yellow means slow. The dark. Look at my jacket. I'm hooked on kissing you, getting the turn. You've been working here all night long. I hate driving in the rain. This is not fun. Love is in the sun in the night, like a diamond in the eye. And nothing feels better than this. We're gonna come back to you after I'm not driving. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. You so fucking precious when you smile. Hit it from the back, it drives you. You're oh, I like this song. Wait, I gotta sing this to you. This little West Coast town, sunburn on her hair, a California dream. She was a heartache on the dance floor. She moving through my mind, moving through my mind. I gotta know her name. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing, but this was a fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Hi vlog, what's good? I'm outside. It's a little rainy, it's a little sprinkly, a little cold. I'm meeting Tyler. I parked in this parking lot. Don't know how much it's gonna cost, but I literally think it's gonna be like $20 to park there for maybe an hour. Not happy about that. Didn't really have any choices because it was really stressful. But I'm in the city and it's really nice. It's so pretty. Dancing and dancing in Jingle Bell Square, in the frosty air. I'm in a corner changing. Hi guys, so I just got done with the photo shoot. I didn't vlog that much of it because it's raining and like I was switching outfits and all that stuff. Now I am going to my car and trying to find where the frick I parked. Yeah, I really don't know where I parked. And it's raining and everyone's like a fat raindrop in my eyeball. Okay, lots of people are staring. I'm just here to pop in and say that I'm going to get food. There's a bit of traffic going home, so I might as well get food because I'm hungry. I'm going to this vegan place because no one wants to eat vegan food with me. So I'm going to go to this vegan place, get a vegan burger, and I'm so excited. But I'm in traffic. There's lots of rain happening. Lots of rain. And the shoe went well if you wanted to know. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, but this was a fun. Guys, this food looks insane. Oh my god. Aren't in love. I guess this sounds like another sad love song. I feel like I'm in a yak. Maybe I'll feel better. Bridges they are burning. I literally feel like I'm gonna throw up. That place was amazing, by the way. It's good. Sad boy hour, baby. What? My photos from our photo shoot are already edited. What? We love you, Tyler. Do you guys ever, if it rains, do you guys watch other people's windshield wipers? Because I do, because I get insecure about my windshield wipers and how fast they're going. Oh, the freaky shit we did. I'm still trying to figure out what makes you. Fire when the stroke. Not doing good here. Fire when the stroke hits you. I like Dragon Ball. I like King Crawl, and I like applesauce. She's a bad mama jamma straight up out of Indiana. Hi guys, we're vlogging. Guys, we are taking apart my bed because I'm selling it. Mattress, drawer. I just hurt my butt on the freaking drawer. There's the drawers, there's the everything, there's Romy. It's really bittersweet. This was my first bed in my first apartment that I've ever lived in. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. So guys, we are at Crave, the infamous Crave. Haven't been here in a hot minute. I really have not been here in.
What if this is your last time here?
Oh my god, stop. I'm gonna cry. I'm already sad boy right now. Tears coming. Stop this. This is canceled. We're going to Crave and that's what's happening. So, give this video a thumbs up for crying and chapstick. Romy got the Crave. That looks so good. Romy, how dare you not take a picture of your food before you eat it? That's rude. I'm just chilling here waiting on my chai with almond milk. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you.
Let's keep it going, baby.
Battery's dying.
I know, I was just gonna say your battery's dying. Oh god,
okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Love you so much. Peace, love, and blessings. Bye. Green.
I'm so fucking
Cute. Loving an influencer, baby.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells.